Yo, welcome everyone back to the channel. Sorry it's been a little while since the last video, but first and foremost, I would like to say thank you so much to all the new followers, all the subscribers, all the likes and the comments. That last video did very good. Super thankful for that. Without further ado, we have an unboxing today for you guys. We got ACUiTY Instruments, real great company. Shout outs to those guys out there. Very good company. Can't recommend them enough. Let's see what we got in the box. If anyone likes knives out there, shout outs to Cobra Tech. Real cool knife. OTF. But let's get into it, see what we got. Kind of excited about this. Let's see here. Put that away. This is their stage one shifter kit. Lots of packing peanuts in here. Let's see what we got inside the box here. To start, we got a little goodie bag. Always like that. Super cool, nice of them. Stickers, little keychain. That's awesome. Put that off to the side. See, it looks like a little note or receipt. It's awesome. Put that off to the side as well. Here's what we got first. Shifter base bushings. I'll be going over everything, how to install this, you know, all the before and afters. Real cool quality, real cool how they pack this stuff. I really like that. Let's see what else we got. Also got the shift link bushing upgrade. Let me open that up for you guys, show them what that looks like. Like I said, love the packaging. Kind of gives me that Apple feel. Sticker, love that. Here's the hardware we'll need, the snap rings, the cotter pins. Real cool that they give you all this stuff to switch it out from the OEM. Here's the main subject right here, the bushings. Super top-notch quality, a lot of tech that goes into this. Like I said, amazing company. New bushings, I'll show you guys the worn out ones, I'm sure, of the OEM. So we'll put that off to the side for now. See what else we got. Also got the shift boot collar upgrade. It does come with a shift knob on, or you could opt for that if you really want that. I'm gonna go ahead and go with a spoon, just because I like spoon a lot. So you could get the ACUiTY one. Not saying nothing bad about that. Also got the little interior trim toolkit. That's gonna help me out a lot to take off all the stuff. Don't know if I got anything else. I think that's everything. Yeah, just packing peanuts. Lots of those. That's cool to protect it, all that. But yeah, it should be a very simple, super easy install. I don't see anything hard about it. Like I said, I'm gonna go over everything, how to install all this, show you step by step, a nice POV and all that. But let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, this is from my 2006 Honda Civic SI. It's cool, it gives you all the fitments for you can make sure what is good for yours. Tells you what does it fit, what does it doesn't fit. Make sure you just put in the description what do you want to put, what year and what make and model of vehicle you drive. They do offer a lot for Hondas and Acuras. Very oriented on that. But without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys everything, show you how to install this stuff. Shouldn't take too long, so we'll go ahead and get into it. All right, here we are with the hood open. Luckily for me, on my car personally, may be different for a lot of other people out there with the 8 gens, but I do have a cold air intake, not the short ram that normally sits right here, so helps me out a lot for this install. But looking at right here, this is where we're going to be replacing. It's this one right here, this big bushing right here with the cotter pin, and then this small other one right there. So you're just going to take out these cotter pins. Very easy to take out. I'll be showing you guys how to take that out real quick. That should just come out. Honestly, might be able to come out by hand if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm literally just using my fingers. Then I'm gonna just take it out with the hand. 1 second. Yeah, you could use needle nose pliers, but I got it out by hand. Put that out right there. The next one should be pretty simple. yeah, super simple. These are kind of, I mean, already a little worn out, so yeah, I took off the one from right there, and the next one will be this one right here. Took that off. These should be free enough to take out. Yeah, that one popped off. Yeah, these are a little shot, as you can tell. Didn't think it would come off that easy. Oh, that one kind of fell off. Yeah, see, once they're free, then I'm able to just hopefully slide these out. Let me grab that other one that fell. Well, that one fell down there, but let's see. I should be able to just use just a flathead to take that one out, and then the next one, let me set you guys down real quick. All right, hopefully you guys can see what I'm seeing. But this is the one I was telling you guys, it should be able to just come out some way. Shouldn't be too hard since they're a little worn out already. Kind of got to fight it a little bit, but it should pop out. Yeah, it's beginning a little freeze there. Losing my light there. Yeah, you kind of just gotta wiggle it out, but yeah, a little shot on these. Definitely a lot of use and abuse that's been on that. This little small one should be easy too. I'm kind of just wiggling it towards me. I'm just trying to get enough play to where I could take it out. Little one, I did see online that this one would be a little difficult. Okay. Alright, this one was being a little bit of a pain. I managed to get it out. You just gotta put some elbow grease into there and they'll come off. Sorry about the angle. Hopefully you guys were able to tell what I was doing. It's kind of hard to put a tripod down there. But now that I got these two free, I can finally install these bad boys. And this little one is going to go right into the little small one there. And then you want to make sure, get your snap rings. Let me put this down right here for you guys. So just kind of like a key ring, it's going to snap into place. Let me set you guys down real quick to show you where it's going to go. Hopefully that's a good enough angle. Let's see, where did I put it already? Okay, yeah, so this one's gonna go in right here. Just pop in like so. Like I said, this ring is gonna go on the back. You'll hear kind of like a little snap. All right, that was a little more tedious than I thought, but what was causing the problem was I did spray a little bit of WD-40. Let me get this flashlight out of the way. I did spray a little bit of WD-40, but that ring, you want to make sure it sits real good into there. I did get that in. Love how the purple looks, even though a lot of people probably won't see it. Got that snapped in. Once you get those two in, it should just slide back into normal. Make sure that goes in there. This next one here, make sure that one just slides right back into place. I did put the washer on the bottom over there. Yeah, that sits real good. Let me put the little cotter pins in there. That should slide in very easily. Let's see where I'll put those. 1 second. Actually, one. Alright, these little pins are just gonna slide in real easy. Just that one fell, but we'll get that 1 second. This one, we're just gonna press it down like so. Push down a little bit more actually. That should be fine. Let me get that other one 1 second. Alright, I got that one. This one's just gonna slide in right there. That's good. Oh, looks solid. Yeah, so that one fell, but went ahead and put that in there. Just put the cotter pins back in where they go. Make sure everything's nice and sturdy. I can already feel that they're a lot more stiff. So that was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. They make it really user-friendly, thanks to them. But let's move to the interior and get those other shifter bushings installed. 1 second. Alright, we're here in the interior. I used a little toolkit. Grab this one. That kind of looked good enough. We're just going to pry around the edges here. See how we could lift this. Don't apply too much pressure. They're pretty simple to take off. There you go. See, that one's pretty easy. Let me get this shift knob off actually. But we're going to take this off. I'm going to take this little cubby right here. I'm going to see if I have to take off the whole thing. I know a couple people take off the ones in here. There's two little 8mm in there. But let me take this shift knob off and we'll get to it. Alright, got the shift little collar boot off. Once you pry that open, and you do get a little bit more exposed right here, but go ahead and take this off. Same method, just using it very gently to try to get around these little edges. Kind of just work your way around. It should start to kind of take itself apart. Sometimes it could be a little tricky. You see right around here. Okay. Should be able to cut off slightly. Okay, there it is. There it is. Alright. Yeah, that one came off. Okay, now we can see, I believe these are 8mm here. Actually, they might be 10s. But we're gonna go ahead and take off these three, this one here, and then this one right here, just to get us a little bit more room. Might as well move this back. Like I said, these are two 8mm down here. I'll get down there and take those off and show you once I get that off. Alright, so there's actually a clip right back here. Sorry, you can't really see. There's two clips, one on the left side, one on the right side. And like I said, I got those two little 8mm, or you could use a screwdriver. But once you use that, this should be able to pry back a little bit. Just want to give it a nice little tug. This should move. This back. right, that was a little bit more of a pain than I thought again. Turns out there's two other ones right here, just little screwdriver ones that you could take out. Most of the videos I've seen, you know, those people either don't have it or they just yanked it off. But I forget a lot of stuff is kind of all original on this thing, thankfully. But now these are more exposed. These are going to be a 12mm. I already went ahead and loosened them up, so I'm going to get rid of those. And then I'll catch you guys on the next one to see what we do next. Alright, got them installed. Sorry for the lack of shooting it, but it's kind of hard to do one person. But I will say, these are pretty straightforward. Just make sure the washer on the bottom, you put that in first. It is a little tedious to get in there. But make sure just underneath here, you put them in. And then this one, you could just slide in and then make sure you use these Allens right here. Let me see what actually number it is. The Allen key is a number 5. So once you get those all tightened down, I mean, I can notice the difference immediately just by, you know, shifting it. It feels definitely a lot better, a lot stiffer. I know the bushings that were on there before, they were just way shot. It's probably been on there obviously since it was 2006. But it definitely feels a lot better. Let me wrap this all up. Let me get everything back and then I'll tell you guys how it feels and what does it look like. Alright, got everything buttoned back up. I did add the little shift boot collar. That was a little bit of a pain, but online I followed the steps ACUiTY gives for you, and it was pretty simple install. I love the way how you can take it off, pop it right back in, threw back the shift knob. Spoon one didn't really fit the way I wanted, I think because it's a little too deep and it didn't want to sit in right there, and it didn't want to twist in onto the collar there. Alright, the camera did die on me. I do apologize for that. But we got everything all sorted out. Definitely feels a whole lot better. Just the overall feel, just the shifting feels way better, way more improved than OEM. Shout out to ACUiTY once again. I'll definitely be ordering that shift knob now that I know it's probably going to all tie together with the collar, and just, I love all the stuff they make. I'll definitely try to order everything off the catalog that they offer for the 8th gen. They do offer a lot of stuff for other Hondas and Acuras. Please sure to check them out. I'll link everything down below that I purchased. Stay tuned for more videos. I know it's kind of slow right now. I do have a lot more stuff in the works. A lot more stuff for this 8th gen, a lot of stuff that I want to improve on this thing. There's so much variety for this, and I definitely want to purchase a lot more stuff that improves handling, overall just performance, and of course shifting. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below what you thought of the video. What can I improve on? This is my first time doing an unboxing and installation, so I'll definitely improve on that and get a whole lot better. But hit that subscribe button for me, please. Stay tuned for more videos. I do have a lot more coming, a lot more in the works, behind the scenes and all that. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.